Hello, everyone. First off, congratulations for making it to the end of the semester. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving and you're looking forward to the holiday break. I really enjoyed listening to your case studies, your overview of the case studies. I really like the complexity that you guys added in all of your case studies, and it then made me reflect on mine just to make sure that I added enough complexity. Um, Alexis, I love the idea of the free reduced lunch, the grab and go breakfast for everyone. I think that's a fantastic idea. My school, we have 80% free reduced lunch, just about 80%. And I think for the other 20%, it takes the stress off those other kids that may or may not eat breakfast. They have the option, the choice of just grabbing it and going. Murphy, you had excellent. I love how you added the PBIS matrix in with the bus drivers, especially with the EC students, because I know it's difficult. Being a bus driver myself, at times, it's definitely challenging with our students, especially our EC students. I'm fortunate enough to work with the EC students daily, and only one of our students actually rides the actually an actual yellow bus. The other ones have special trans, but it's definitely could be challenging. We just had a situation yesterday at school where two kids were kicked off the bus for behavior issues, and the bus driver he did not handle himself well at all. And having that PBIS in place could actually could have prevented the situation from escalating the way it did. I also enjoyed Murphy, the McKinney-Vento, the assistance acts that you added in. Just speaking of that, we have a quite a few students that are foster students that have or they're in the McKinney-Vento process as well. And you bringing light on that, shining light on that, is really something interesting that I found out not a lot of people know about. So that was really good, and I really enjoyed you speaking about that. Amy, your case study was very complex. You really dove into the transportation discipline, the points of views that you gave us from the unhappy parents, unhappy driver, unhappy students. Samantha, with her saying this happened, and the bus driver explaining, "Oh, this is what happened," and the complexity that you added, the depth that you added was really interesting and the research I'm sure that you guys did was great, and I do look forward to potentially working with you guys again in the future in another class. If you are done or close to being done, congratulations. Good luck in the future. If you ever need anything, let me know. I hope everyone has a great holiday. Great job on your case studies. Take care. Bye.